In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out your stand store balance if you've sold some products, earned referrals, or any other method of earning money. You will have a balance that is available to cash out. So let's get that money into your bank account. To start, we'll open up the Stand app on our phone. The mobile app is not great with Stand Store. You can't do a lot, but you can cash out your money. So that is the great thing about it. And really the only thing I actually use the mobile app for. Everything else I think is better on desktop. But when you open up the Stand app, you see your total revenue at the top, your leads, your store views, and then your account balance. Hooray! So I have $18 in my account. So right here, you see a little purple button with the plus sign and then cash out. So all we're going to do to cash out is click that button. So it's actually instant and it will cash out to the bank account that you've already linked to your Stand store. So it should be your business account where all your business income goes, and then you can organize it on that side. I use Relay for my business banking, so that's where that money went. And it says now, congrats, you cashed out $18. So woohoo. And then it can take a couple business days, depending on when you cash out, to get that money in your actual bank account. So it usually takes about 2 business days to make sure that it shows up in my business bank account over at Relay. But for now, that's all you do. It's a really quick, one simple press of a button and you're good to go. That's one of the nice things about having a Stand store. They really make it easy for you to actually get the money that you've earned from selling products, referring people to Stand, and all of the other ways you can make money with Stand store. If you want to make more money with your Stand store, definitely subscribe to Create with Pennies and watch this video about 10 different ways that you can earn money with your Stand store.